Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Still here with me, Fadila Amalia. For today's material, we will try to configure Dhcp Client on a proxy router. See the step yes, so that later it becomes useful knowledge for you. Wireless configuration. Open the Winbox application, then enter the MikRotik router board using the MAC address. For the login session, we are still using admin. Click connect. We will check the interface with the interface wireless print. Here there is still an X, which means it is still disabled. We will activate the WLAN 1 interface on the router with the command interface wireless enable WLAN 1. Check the configuration with the command interface wireless print. Then here we will configure the security profile for the wireless that will be used. Enter the command interface wireless security profiles at name. The name used for security profiles, here I use Fadilah. Mode dynamic case. The mode used is dynamic case. For authentication types, we will use WPA PSK and WPA to SK. Unicase keepers as CCM and KIP, and group keepers as TCM and TKIP2. WPA pre-shared key OZAN 73012 and WPA to pre-shared key OZAN 71312. We will check to see the security profiles configuration that we configure with the command interface wireless security profiles print. Then we will do a scan process to connect the router with the command interface wireless scan. Number 0. Here, we will configure the WLAN 1 interface with the command interface wireless set SSID. The SSID used is the SSID that match the hotspot we use. Here I am using Catro. To receive internet access, we use station mode. Security profile must be the same as the one we configured before. Here I use Fadilah. Now, numbers 0 is the number from the WLAN 1 interface. Then, we check the status of the WLAN 1 interface with the command interface wireless print. The status is already R or running. Dhcp Client configuration. We will configure the Dhcp Client to request an IP address from the hotspot with the command IP Dhcp Client at interface WLAN 1. Disable? No. This WLAN 1 will as internet resource. Don't forget to enable WLAN 1 in the Dhcp Client configuration. Next, check back and the VLAN 1 interface with the IP Dhcp Client pin. We can see that the status section of the VLAN 1 interface is bound, which means that it has been connected and managed to get an IP address which is 192.168.1.14/24. For more details, we will perform a ping test with the ping Google command. And it turns out that the ping test was successful. Finally, we are done configuring the Dhcp client. Thank you for taking the time to join me. If there really is an error, I'm sorry friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.